Okay. So now I'll take another scenario. Like a second one, you can take it as an assignment. So now before one we did, before create one. The next scenario is create related contact when opportunity, sorry, related contact when account is created. Okay. So one scenario, create related opportunity when account is created. Which one I should explain? First one is easy. Second one, it involves a lot of fields. Opportunity one. Which one I should explain to you? I'll explain you one thing and you can add another one on the same
Second
flow
one.
itself. Okay, I'll go with the opportunity. Why means it contains a lot of required fields, right?
Yeah.
That's why I'm going with this. So coming to the contact, you'll be having only last name as a required field. Okay. So now
Okay.
on which object we have to create a flow then? So here you should understand the requirement first. What is the requirement here? Create a related
Create
opportunity
related opportunity
when
when
account
account is
is created. It means on which object we should run a flow.
account.
Why? So while creating this, we have to create this one, right? It means account is triggering the flow. Okay. So now what I am doing is I have to write a new flow. So this one is good. I'll be back from this. Flows. It's loading still. Oh, it's open, right? Sorry. New flow. So record triggered flow. Create. On which object we have to create flow now? Account. On which case this flow should run? On a create case only. So are you going to check any conditions? No, I don't want to check any conditions. So are you going with the first field update or actions on related records? Now, whenever the account is created, we have to create a related record, right? That's why I'm going with the fast field update. Okay. So yeah. Create opportunity. Then description I'm not adding. For best practice, you can add it. So now it's giving a warning, it's common. Okay. So now what we have to do whenever flow runs, what we have to do? We have to update or we have to, which element we have to choose here? In a data elements, we'll be having different options. So you can see in a related records, you got more options. So coming to the interactions, you can see action, subflow, custom error. In a logic, you'll see a lot of elements. And in a data, you'll see create record, update record, get record, delete record. Which one will choose? Create record. We have to create opportunity record, right? That's why I'm choosing this. Create opportunity. Create opportunity. So how many records you want to create? It is asking one or multiple. I have to create only one record. Use all values from a record. Yes, I have to use. So which opportunity record, which type of record you want to create? Use separate resources and literal values. You can select this one so that you can select independent field values. Use as values for all values from a record means from a previous record. Let's suppose if it is an account, if you want to use all those fields only, you can go with the first option. Okay, so now I'm choosing which object report you want to create. Opportunity, right? I'm choosing opportunity. So coming to the opportunity, what are the fields are mandatory while creating opportunity record? We'll see now. So new opportunity I'm creating here. So first required field is opportunity name, right?
Yes.
So here in a flow, we'll add opportunity where it is here now. Yes. So here I'll type like a name. So name. So coming to the opportunity name, I have to populate this opportunity name as record means account. Account name I have to populate here. Make sense?
Yes.
So I'm matching this with the account name. What is the next required field while creating an opportunity?
Close date.
Close date. Close date. So coming to close date, which value will populate? We'll create some resource or like which value we can populate, or we can, yeah. What we'll
Current
do?
date.
Current date means today's date. So for that
Yes.
also we have to create a resource. So in the resource type, I'll create a formula. In the formula, I'll choose API name as close date. Coming to the data type, I'll keep date. So here I'll choose today. Yes, it is only the thing I have required. I'm checking syntax. There's no syntax errors. I'm done with this. Done. I have added close date as today's date. Any other fields are required? Stage, right? Stage name. So by default, will be get values as it is a pick list field. I have to keep prospecting. Any other fields required while creating an opportunity? Name, close date, stage name. These are only the required fields, right? Anything else? Name, opportunity, yes. These are only required fields. Okay, so now what I will do is I'll save the flow. Save this. Save. Perfect. So now if you want to test it, you can debug it as well. So if you want to debug this flow, whether it is working or not, you can select this option. And on which account you have to run this, you can select that one. So let's suppose run. So it will tell us whether it is going properly or not. Yes, it is completing. It's going through complete path. So create opportunity. Yes. So while creating an opportunity, it is capturing close date, and it is check record trigger availability is name field name, stage value is probability. Result, a record is ready to be created when the next screen pass or local action is executed when the interview finishes. Rollback means we are not modifying the data, just we are checking the data. That's why it is coming like this. Now I'll activate this flow. I'm activating it. After activating this, what I have to do is, so I have to test this flow. So now I'll go to some page here and I'll refresh this page. I have to create one account now. New account name is test opportunity creation. So I'm not giving any other field values. you can see account record is created, but under this account, there is no related opportunity. There's no related opportunity. So what is the account name we kept? What is the account name we kept? Test opportunity creation, right? So now what I'll do is I'll check whether this record is available in all opportunities or not. All opportunities. In the all opportunities, I'll test it here. See, this record is created with the whatever the data you said. Test opportunity creation and close date and prospecting and created by me. Okay, it is created today only. So the thing what happening is, though opportunity record is creating, but it is creating like an independent account. It is not linking through that account. Understood? So now we have to link this account, sorry, this opportunity under the contact only. For that purpose, what we have to do is, so here on the opportunity account will be having lookup relationship. That's why that opportunity is coming under account. So for that purpose, what we have to do is we have to match account ID field with the record ID. So account ID means it is a field which is available in opportunity page. So it is null. For this record, it is null. Which record it is? This record, if you go to details of this page, in this, you'll be having account ID field. So account name field you're having, right? API name for this is account ID. So this is null. That's why this opportunity is not coming under any account. If this field value present, then it will be available in that page or like account page. So for that, what I am doing is here we have to add that field value. Account ID equals to, so the created account, like whatever the record triggered this flow, that records ID we should keep. Record ID, yes, account ID I'm keeping. Any doubts on this? So once we activate it means we have to save it as a new version. I'm activating this. So no doubts, right? Understood, right? What I have did here. Yes. No.
Yes, we understood.
Yes, perfect. So now what I have to do is I have to jump to accounts page now. After this, I'll check. Now, saving this. Now you can see one related opportunity will be created. You can see test opportunity and stage is prospecting and amount is we did not specify the amount value. That's why it is not coming. If you go to this details, see this will trigger another flow as well. Estimated date we should capture, right? It is also capturing. You can see. Means while creating this opportunity, it should run another flow, right? That is also running in the background. If you keep amount field value will be also be updated while creating an opportunity. Understood? Yes. So just I'm closing with this today. Today we discussed only create scenario. In the next session, we'll see what should be happen while updating a record. Let's suppose the next scenario is if you want to try, you can try it. If you want to try it, you can try it. Whenever new case is created under any account, you should capture latest case number on account object in a description field or create a new field with a case number as text data type. Make sense? Can you able to try this?
Sure, we'll try.
You'll try to do this. If you won't do it, I'll explain you this scenario in the next session. Okay, I'll forward these
Yeah.
scenarios to in your WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay, then.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you. Bye
you.
bye.
Have
See
a
you in
good day.
next. Same to you. And one more thing.